Hi guys, in front of me is TCL 505 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit icon. And now click on add picture. So here you can either grab a photo right now by tapping on camera, choose something from your own gallery, select some photo from Google Drive or mark one from illustrations. Now you can choose the preset if you want to and mark choose to apply it. Now just click on save and that's it. As you can see, the photo has been added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.